Hi, welcome to Cloudminister Technologies. If you would like to add an additional contact in your Cloudminister's client area account for email notifications, then please watch the full tutorial. In this tutorial, you can add an additional authorized person with limited technical or billing access and email alerts to contact Cloudminister Technologies on behalf of your organization. Your developer or any other person with alternate email ID can send support ticket. This helps you to delegate the technical work to someone, like developers or IT admins, your staff, and billing work to your accountants. Follow the steps to add additional authorized contact or email in Cloudminister Technologies. Please visit our website at cloudminister.com. Go to our website's login section. Log into the Cloudminister Technologies client area. Click on the New Contact link in the client area after you log in. Complete all the information in your client area regarding your new add-on contact. Once you click on the Save Changes button, you will be notified that you have successfully added the new contact in your Cloudminister Technologies client area. That's how you can add additional contact details in your Cloudminister's client area account for time-to-time email notifications. We provide call support. You can contact the Cloudminister Technologies team at 01414924265 for better assistance. Thanks for watching full tutorial. If you found it useful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see upcoming videos like this.